Hello and welcome to the channel QA Engineer. In this video, I am going to show you how can we test any website or web application in mobile view without having a mobile device. So this video is going to demonstrate how we can test a website in laptop or PC in mobile view. So this channel is all about the QA engineer, and you can learn about manual testing, automation testing, and AI in QA engineer on my channel. Please subscribe my channel and let's get to the video. Now, this is a website called Amazon, which is very well-known website. So this is the desktop view of this website. So today we are going to test this in mobile device view using the laptop or PC. So maybe you are already knew about this approach, and maybe you are just a beginner and searching for how to test website in mobile view on PC. So just right click on page anywhere and click on inspect. Once you click on inspect, you will see this dev tools. This is called dev tools, and there are many things here which are very useful for QA engineers. If you are a QA engineer, you might be using it. The network tab to see the API calls, responses, and everything, other application, and other things in the dev tools which we will see later in upcoming videos. So here in this video, we will test the website in mobile device view. So what we are going to do is, you can see this toggle device emulation. So once you click on this, you will see the mobile view here. And here there is a dimensions. There are different dimensions are added already in every browser. In this is iPhone SE, iPhone XR, iPhone 12, and different other mobile devices. iPad Air, iPads are also available. Then Samsung devices are also available. So you can select any one which you need. For example, if you want to test the website on iPhone 12 Pro on this PC, so what we can do is, you can see this is the view of your website in mobile devices. Now just test it as a user in mobile device. This is the correct view. You can make this 100% or 70% based on your uh, visibility. Now if I go to any other website, for example, there is a website called QAnalyze. This one is e-commerce website. This is good, but the problem is it's a platform, so it will not be very visual in this mobile view. So I will be using this one. So if I click on inspect, and this will open in mobile view. Now if I go to any other, if I go to iPhone SE, or if I go to iPhone 14 Pro Max, you can see this is changing the visual. So if you reload the page, it will be reloaded. Now here, this is exactly mobile view in your PC, and you can test all the pages, all the processes, everything in mobile view. So you don't need to have a mobile device to test everything in mobile. You can verify these things if you have a mobile device, but you cannot buy many mobile devices to test a website. So if you have one device, that is enough, because all the other devices you can test the mobile view of the website in desktop or PC or laptop using the Chrome DevTools like this. And you can select multiple devices. You can select on different device screens, and to make sure the UI or layout is not breaking anything, the pages are not unresponsive in different devices. So you can see, if I scroll down, I can see everything like a mobile device view, and if there is any issue, I can find out. So on this website, till now there is no issue. This is the home page. If I go to any other page, for example services, you can see this is the menu in mobile device, 100% same as it is in the mobile device. So if I go to the ongoing SaaS QA platform, you will see the next page will be loaded, and there is no need to test this on mobile devices separately, because there are thousands of mobile devices. You cannot test on all. So you can test anything here in mobile devices, any website, web application, or anything which you want to test in mobile view. So just open the dev tools by clicking on inspect, and then turn on this toggle for device emulation. and you can select any devices. Now if you want to test the iPad view, you can just select iPad Pro here. You can see this is the iPad Pro here, and in iPad Pro you can see I will set it to 100%. And now iPad, you want to test on iPad landscape or portrait, you can select from here. So if I say portrait or landscape, you can see this is the iPad view now for this website. So I can test it everything here. Now if we change the specific dimensions, for example, if you are client or if you are seeing a bug which is on a specific dimensions, you can just select the dimensions from here. So for example, if you go to edit, and you can select all the devices here. If your device is listed here, you can select that device and add it here. You can also add the custom device by clicking on custom device. You can select the for example, I will say iPhone 6, which is very smaller device and most of the websites can have issues there. So for example, I will select 370 and maybe 480. This is the dimensions. Then I will add this. Once this is added, you see I can see this in here. So this is the iPhone 6 listed here. I can select this. Now as soon as I select the iPhone 6, I have to rotate this as well. I might be reloading the page. So here looks like in iPhone 6 I will have to set it to maybe 200%. So there might be an issue in iPhone 6 for this website, because you see all the things are listed at the left side. So you can always select add custom devices here. You can always select custom the custom devices and dimensions. You can also do the responsive mode. For example, if you click on this responsive, you can drag and drop this responsive mode like this and see if it is working correctly or not in mobile devices. So that is how you can test any website or web application in mobile device view without any problem or without any issues, and see if there are any problems. So I will close this. So it is very easy. You just need to go to this any website and then click on the inspect element and then choose this toggle, and you can select any device and start testing it. So in our upcoming videos, we will show you how to test UI and UX or responsiveness in mobile devices. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions related to QA or your career or anything, please comment below and I will respond. Thank you.